Hi, I'm Dawn with Drucker Diagnostics, and today we're going to name a saved cycle on the DashFlex 24 Stat Centrifuge. How to name a saved cycle on the DashFlex 24. Saved cycles save a particular time, speed, and braking into your centrifuge's memory. Your centrifuge comes with 3 presets, and so when you create a new one, the system names them Mem4, Mem5, etc. by default. However, you can rename them if you want. We're going to change our cycle name from Mem4 to Stat, but you can use the same process to change the name on any existing saved cycle to anything you would like. We're going to be renaming an already created saved cycle, but if you'd like to review how to create a saved cycle, click the link on your screen now. As a quick reminder, your DashFlex 24 has all of its controls right here on the front panel. Today we're going to focus on the cycle and menu buttons. We're going to start by selecting the saved cycle we want to rename. Use the cycle button to switch between saved cycles. The name of the currently selected cycle shows on the RPM display, alternating with that same cycle's saved RPM. Once you have the saved cycle you want to rename selected, press and hold the cycle button. You'll hear a beep. The centrifuge lights will turn on and the number next to the cycle button will blink. That means you're in edit mode. If you want to edit your RPM or time, you can do that right now. Just adjust up and down using the arrows next to each display. To name your cycle, press the menu button to enter the advanced menu. Various advanced menu options are now shown on the RPM screen. Use the arrows next to the RPM screen to scroll through the options until the cycle name is displayed. Then, press the Start button. This will enter edit mode. A star indicates the location of the letter currently being edited. Use the up and down arrows next to the RPM display to cycle through letters, numbers, and characters until reaching the one that you want. Once that first letter of your cycle is correct, press the Stop Unlock button to move to the right and repeat the process. If you need to edit a previous letter again, you can use the Start button to move left. Use the Stop Unlock button to move to the next letter when ready. Repeat this process until your cycle name displays as desired. Once the name is correct in the RPM screen, press the Menu button to save the name. Then, press the Cycle button to exit the menu. Your saved cycle has now been renamed. The cycle, with its new name, will automatically be selected on the centrifuge, ready to spin. You can tell it's selected because the new name will appear on the RPM screen, alternating with the cycle's RPM value. With our renamed cycle selected, we're ready to spin. Press Stop Unlock to unlock the centrifuge. Load your tubes and close the lid. Turn the lid latch a quarter turn clockwise to secure. Next, press the Start button. The centrifuge will automatically lock and the rotor will begin to spin, accelerating until it reaches your selected cycle's RPM. During the run, the cycle name will alternate with the RPM in the RPM screen. The centrifuge will run for your chosen cycle's time. You can see time remaining on the time screen. Once the run is complete, the centrifuge will begin to slow down, applying the rotor brake at the level you selected for your cycle. When the rotor is fully stopped, the centrifuge will beep and the lid lights will flash to let you know it's done. The centrifuge will automatically unlock. Turn the lid latch a quarter turn counterclockwise and then lift the lid to retrieve your spun samples. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, you can always contact Drucker customer service and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.